What we're going to do is a Wordle lesson. I must start out by saying that you cannot use an iPod Touch or the iPad to do this lesson. Unfortunately, the Wordle website will not work on the iPad and the iPod. So, please use your computer for this lesson. Wordle, if you're not familiar with it, is found at the URL wordl.net. Wordle is a website that puts a collage of words together, and they're all different sizes. How it sizes the word is really the significant part of this. So if you look here in this example, I have reading typed in once, science typed in twice, and math typed in 4 times. If I were to make a Wordle collage with this, reading would appear, then science would be twice the size of it, and math would be 4 times the size of reading. Math would also be twice the size of science because of the number of times that I typed it in. Based on that knowledge of what Wordle does, I'm going to give you an article on the Pythagorean theorem. But before you go there, I would like you to predict right now what you think the 3 largest words would be in this article. Which words are going to appear the most often? After you predicted those 3 words, under the lesson section, number 2, you will find the website that I would like you to go to. Copy the website and paste it in the URL of your browser. This is the page that should show up on your screen. Next, do not read the article. Copy the text of the article. Do not include the advertisements, just the actual article itself. I would suggest highlighting it all and then copying it. Once you copy the article, go to wordle.net. Click on the word create. Once you click on the word create, you will have a box that says paste in a bunch of text. In here, paste the article that you copied from the web page that I gave you about the Pythagorean theorem. Once it's pasted inside there, as shown here, you're going to click on the word go. Wordle will create a collage of these words from the article. Find the top words or the largest words in the collage and write them down. I found about 6 or so in this article. Now, with these 6 words written there, I want you to do a compare and contrast. Did these words, any of them match the ones you thought would appear the most? Were there any in there that you did not understand why they are there? So right now I want you to reflect on what were the 6 top words and what were the 3 I chosen. If you got all 3 and all 3 were in the top 6, then good for you. If they were not, I want you to now reflect on well, why are these 6 words the most important in here? So go back to the article. Now it's time to read it. Find out more about the Pythagorean theorem. Why did these 6 words appear? Once you're done reading that article, now it's time for you to write a paragraph or 2. And it could even be more than that. Inside the note-taking section, you're going to write a paragraph answering the following 2 questions, or even more than that. Why did the words appear? And number 2, what role do they play with the Pythagorean theorem? Write your couple of paragraphs, then click on the envelope at the bottom of the screen and send me your email. I will then read your paper and we can discuss this during period 9. What I'd like you to know is this recording that you're seeing here was made with SonicPics on my iPod Touch. This is just one of the examples of how you can do a presentation on the Pythagorean theorem later on.